Hey guys, I'm in the mood to make some soap. I need to make some soap. So today we're going to be making sea breeze soap. So let's get started.
24 hours later.
And we are back 24 hours later. As you can see, check it out. I absolutely love the colors. I love the gold swirl. Got a couple of air pockets here. Look how beautiful. And I can honestly say, I have made a lot of soap. This is one of the best fragrance combinations I have ever put together. It smells so good. And you can smell it like all down the hallway. Even my brother walked by and he was like, that smells good. I was like, I know. So this is the Sea Breeze soap. Thank you so much for watching. I have more videos coming up in the near future. And if you want to check out when our next restock date is, release, you can go to spacecitysoaps.com and sign up for the Bubble Club email list. And you'll get notified of the next restock. These will be for sale, wholesale, bulk prices, very soon, so keep an eye out for that on our website. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more soap making videos. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.